Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zen device to Zen Studio. First, you will need to download the Zen Studio software from the official website. Once downloaded, connect your Zen device to your computer using the short 12-inch Prog USB cable, plugging it into the top port of the Zen. Then, open Zen Studio. The software should automatically detect your device and display its unique serial number, confirming a successful initial connection. Next, it is crucial to update your Zen device's firmware to ensure optimal performance. Within Zen Studio, navigate to the Tools menu and select the Firmware Update option. You will then need to put your Zen into bootloader mode by pressing and holding the small button on the back of the device for approximately 3 seconds. Once in bootloader mode, select and install the latest available firmware version to complete the update process. Now, let's program your Zen with game packs and scripts. Disconnect the short cable and use the longer USB cable to connect the Zen's right side port to your computer. In Zen Studio, you can browse the extensive library of game packs and scripts. Simply drag and drop your chosen items into one of the 8 available memory slots on your device. After arranging your selections, remember to click the Save button to apply these configurations to your Zen. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are simple troubleshooting steps. First, always ensure that both USB cables are fully functional and securely plugged into the correct ports on both your Zen and computer. If the problem persists, try resetting Zen Studio through the Tools menu, which can resolve many software glitches. Additionally, restarting your computer or trying alternative USB ports can often help the device be recognized properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.